Painting is a great way to transform your home and create a new feel, but it's also a great way to maintain your home. So today I'm here in historic Mission Hills with Debbie from 360 Painting, where we're talking all about really maintaining the feel of this home. Tell me the story.
This is one of our favorite projects we've ever done. So this house, the room that we're actually standing in now, was originally built around 1875, and since then it's been added onto. And the owner has lived in this current home now for decades, raised a family here, and she's downsizing. So the daughter's taking it over. And the big thing they want to do is preserve the story. There's so many stories in these walls.
So much history from 1870 and beyond.
And you can see it as you go through the home. And they wanted colors that kind of represented just the traditionalness of the home. And we actually preserved a lot of the work. It was not a full restoration. It was really more of a preservation.
So let's talk about what that means. If you're preserving kind of the work and you're refinishing, refurbishing what's already been here, what goes into that?
So for example, like the walls, they definitely wanted us to clean them, but they didn't want us to strip them and start over again. So you see the imperfections, you see some of just the story of the home. So the floors were done to match the original color of the walls, and fortunately we have enough history on the home that we know the story about it.
Which is so cool because this has actually been in their family for so many years.
Exactly.
And they actually know the family that was here before them.
Exactly.
So there's connection and they know what's going on. But I like what you're saying, they're not starting from scratch on the walls. They wanted to preserve the feelings of when she was a young girl living in the home, and now she's going to raise her children here and grandchildren throughout the house, and it's so much history being preserved. What's it feel like as 360 Painting to be part of that?
See, we absolutely love this. This is actually being a part of a story. We've talked about that before. Every single person has a story, and we love being able to come in here. She actually had a designer that came in and helped with the colors, but our experience with the products, there was a lot of old paint on the wall. You have to really understand how to deal with oil-based paints and some of the old finishes on wood. So that has been really fun for us to work through as well.
And then of course you guys have the skills with which to do that. What kind of training do your team have?
Decades and decades of experience, and you know, they've worked on all different kinds of projects. We have guys that have done commercial work, so they're a little bit better with the production painting, and we have people that have done faux finishes and custom woodwork. So we have a great team of people.
So if you need to preserve some memories in your home or transform your home with new paint, 360 Painting can cover all your bases. Find them today on ApprovedHomePros.com.